In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Asana, whether you're managing a team or working solo. Setting up rules in Asana can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Rules in Asana are essentially automations that you can set up to make your project management process more efficient by reducing manual tasks and ensuring consistency. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand about creating rules in Asana is that they consist of two main components: triggers and actions. A trigger is an event that initiates your rule, while an action is what happens automatically as a result. This pairing allows you to customize how your project operates to suit your particular needs. To begin crafting a rule, start by navigating to your Asana project. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll spot the Customize button. Go ahead and click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the Rules option. This will lead you to a page where you can see all the existing rules associated with your project. These pre-created rules might already be performing some automated tasks for you, but today, we'll focus on adding a new one. If you're ready, find and click the Add Rule button. This is your gateway to creating a new automation that will simplify your workflow. At this stage, your first task is setting a trigger. Think of triggers as the starting point of your rule. For our example, consider setting a trigger for when a new task is added to the project. This is a common scenario where you might want a rule to come into play. Once you've decided on your trigger, you'll notice an option for additional checks. These are supplemental conditions you can apply to further refine when and how the rule should activate. While you might not need them every time, they can be particularly useful in more complex workflows, so keep them in mind for future projects. Next, it's time to define the action, or the outcome, that follows your trigger. Actions can vary widely depending on your needs. You might want, for instance, to automatically assign the new task to a specific team member, or perhaps you'd like to change the value of a task field to better reflect its status or priority. The flexibility here is immense, so tailor the action to how you want tasks to progress once the trigger is set off. After setting your trigger and action, the final step is to click on Publish Rule, which you'll find in the top right corner. This will make your rule live, so do a quick test to ensure everything works as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an Asana rule that will save you time and help maintain a smooth and efficient workflow. Enjoy the enhanced productivity that comes with these smart automations, and feel free to explore further rule possibilities as your mastery of Asana grows.